Imagine a man who made millions of dollars by selling air. Not cars, not houses, not gold. Air. And thousands of grown adults gave them their life savings. How? Because he knew one powerful secret. If you control excitement, you control money. This is the story of how one man built a money machine, lied to everyone, got insanely rich, and then watched it all collapse. And I'm going to explain it so simply, a 6-year-old could understand it. Okay, imagine you and your friends open a lemonade stand. You need money to buy lemons and sugar. So you tell your friends, "Give me $10 and I'll give you a small piece of my lemonade business." If the stand makes money, everyone wins. That small piece, that's called a stock. Now imagine millions of lemonade stands. That's the stock market. Normally, this system helps businesses grow, but what if someone lies about how good the lemonade is? That's where the scam begins. Jordan Belfort was just a regular guy who wanted to get rich. Not comfortable rich, not stable rich, super rich. Private yachts, helicopters, mansions. He discovered something important. People don't buy investments, they buy dreams. And he became very good at selling dreams. Here's the scam, explained simply. Step 1. Find a tiny, almost worthless company, like a lemonade stand that barely sells 1 cup a day. Step 2. Buy a lot of its cheap stock quietly. Step 3. Call people and say, "This is the next Coca-Cola. If you don't buy now, you'll regret it forever." People get excited. They don't want to miss out, so they buy. When lots of people buy, the price goes up. That's the pump. Then Jordan secretly sells his shares at the high price. That's the dump. The price crashes. Investors lose everything. Jordan keeps the money. Imagine convincing kids to trade you their best toys for a rock you painted gold. That's what he did, just with millions of dollars. Here's the scary part. The people who invested weren't stupid. They were teachers, engineers, small business owners. So why did they fall for it? Because Jordan didn't sell stocks, he sold urgency. He made it sound like, if you don't act now, you'll miss the opportunity of a lifetime. Fear of missing out is powerful. He trained his sales team to talk fast, sound confident, never take no as an answer. Confidence can trick the brain. If someone sounds certain enough, we assume they must be right. His company, Stratton Oakmont, wasn't normal. It was chaos. Screaming sales floors, massive bonuses, wild parties. Money was everywhere. Young employees making $100,000 a month. But here's the problem. When you reward lying, lying becomes normal. When money comes fast and easy, nobody asks questions. It became a machine powered by greed. You can only sell fake gold for so long. Eventually, the government noticed. The FBI started watching. Phones were tapped. Investigations began. And the same confidence that built the empire started cracking. Jordan was arrested, charged with securities fraud and money laundering. He went to prison. The empire collapsed. The parties ended. The yachts were gone. Because scams always have an expiration date. Here's what matters. The scam wasn't just about stocks. It was about psychology. People want shortcuts. They want the next big thing. They want to believe someone has a secret. But real wealth is boring. It's slow. It's steady. It's patient. If someone promises you fast millions, you're probably the one being sold. So here's the big question. Would you have fallen for it? If someone confident called you, promised huge returns, and said this opportunity won't last, would you hang up or would you listen? The Wolf of Wall Street wasn't powerful because he was evil. He was powerful because he understood human emotion. And the moment we stop chasing shortcuts is the moment scams stop working.